treatment of the wood before varnish is going to be added on it. After some paper in the wood or the work, as you see. This is very important in the preservation of the work, as you can see. Beautiful. And this mixture matters because it has to be light. The restoration is going smoothly. Let's see how it actually ends at the end of the day. So in a jiffy, we shall be moving on to varnishing as the wood treatment is now dry. The pots are ready. Beautiful craft. A lot of symbolisms about Africa, the traditional African huts, food, traditional African regalia, and symbols of gifting and so on, all in these packages, raffia, intricate designs, details, which are also relevant in African oral traditions as well as in African literature, as seen from many parts of Africa, especially grass fields and so on. Antique dressing cultures, leadership, and so on. Everything in a jiffy. Varnishing. See, the varnishing is continuing here. Very beautiful crafts. Over 50 years old restoration project here. Look at these ones. They actually varnished. So we're allowing them to dry and so on. Work with us to restore, to conserve African arts and culture from the African Center for Community and Development. I am Arrey Mbongaya Ivo. Thanks for watching.